everyone, welcome back to WS Cube. In our last session, we discussed about 6 list functions and how they can be used with the list. Today, we will be discussing about more 6 list functions, and then we will be coming to our problem solving part. So, guys, let's get started. Before that, if you want to become a successful data analyst and if you want to learn from our experts live, then you can call on the given number or you can fill the form that is provided in our description. Not just that, with our every batch, you will be getting 2 demo classes for free. So guys, here we have our 6 list functions. We have copy, extend, index, reverse, sort, and clear. We will be discussing each of them one by one. First of all, let's talk about copy. For copy, I'll be creating a list over here that A is equals to 10, 20, 30. So if I want to copy this in any other variable, let's say I want to copy it in B. So what I'll be writing, B is equals to A dot copy, open close the bracket. Now if I print B over here and run our program, so you will see that I am printing B, still it's giving me the elements of A. Why it is happening? Because B has copied all the elements which is present there inside the A list. So this was our copy method. So our next method over here is extend method. Let's first understand what extend method does. Extend method allows us to extend our list. So let's say we have 2 lists and I want to add the element of second list to our first list. So extend method over here will help us to add the elements of list B inside the list A. Let's see with the help of an example. I'm creating a list over here. A is equals to, inside this list I'm adding 3 elements, 10, 20, 30. Right. I'm creating another list over here, B, in which I'm adding 2 elements, that is 40, 50. Now what I need to do, I need to write A dot extend B. That I am extending A by B. To the A list, I'm adding B list. And after this, before we do this, I'll be also printing it. So print A to see that if it is working properly or not. And here also, I'll be writing print B. Okay. Now after that, after doing the extension over here, I'll be writing print A again. So let's run and see what happens. If I run the program, you will notice when I printed A, it gave me the list A. When I printed B, it gave me the list B. And when after we have used our extend method over here, that A dot extend B, it has increased the size of the list. It has added the B list inside the list A and it has written 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It has provided with a new list that is A. So it has added more elements to A. Now our next method is index method. Talking about the index method over here, index method is very simple. It is used to find the index of any element. All you need to do is, first of all, let's take an example over here of a list. So I'm creating a list A over here. And inside it, I have added 3 elements, that is 10, 20 and 30. Now if I want to know the index number of 30, so all I need to do over here to find the index of, let's say, number 30 is, I'll write print A, that is the name of our list, dot index. And I want to know the index of number 30. That's why I'll be writing number 30 over here. As soon as I run it, I get it number 2. So as we know that element 1, that is number 10, is on index 0. The second element is on number 1 and the third element is on number 2. Similarly, if you want to check it for number 10, it will give us with 0. So let's run and see. Yes, it is giving us with number 0. That the index value of number 10 element is 0. This was our index method. Now let's move ahead to our next method that we have reverse. So guys, reverse method over here allows us to reverse the whole list over here. Let's see how it can be done. So to reverse it, all we need to do is write A dot reverse, open close the parentheses. And now if I print A over here and run our program, so now you will see that the A list has been reversed. Firstly, we had 10, 20 and 30. Now after the reverse of it, we have received with the 3 values, that is 30, 20 and 10. It has reversed the values of indexes over here. Now let's move to our next method, that is our sort method. Guys, what is sort method? Sort method allows us to sort a list alphabetically or numerically. For example, if I have created a list over here, let's say A is equals to, inside the list I'm writing 30, 60, 10, 20. So we can see that the order of the elements inside the list is random. If we want to put it in a proper ascending order, all we need to do is write A dot sort And when I print A over here and run it, you will see it has been now arranged in the ascending order, that first we had 10, then 20, then 30, and then 60. Similarly, this sort method can also be used in the list when we have a string. So let's consider another example. I have B. B is equals to, I'm adding multiple elements over here. Let's say I'll be writing hello and comma, hi, and here I'll be adding good morning, comma, bye. Right. Now what I need to do, I need to arrange it alphabetically. So here the sort method will be talking about the first letter of each element over here. So let's see how it can be done. B dot sort, open close the parentheses and print B. Let's run and see what happens. So you can see that it is arranging them alphabetically. We know that in our 26 alphabet, B occurs first, then G and H. So Y is first over here. Then G comes. That's why good morning. And then we have hello and hi. Both of have H over here, but because both of them are same, it will be talking about the second element that we have over here. So here it has I, which comes late, and E comes first. That's why first we have got over here hello, and next we have got over here hi. So guys, this is how our sort method works in the list. Now we will be talking about our last method, that is the clear method. So guys, for clear method, again I'm taking an example of a list over here, that a list has 10, 20 and 30 elements. Clear method allows us to remove all the elements from the list. Let's see how it can be done. For this, all I need to do is write A dot clear and open close the parentheses. Now if I print A, let's see what happens. We will also print A before using the clear method. So if I print A before using the clear method, it gives me with the values 10, 20 and 30. And after applying the clear method to it, it has given me with the empty list. That means it has removed all the elements from inside of a list. So guys, these were our 6 more methods that we have learned in our list functions. So I hope guys that all the 12 methods that we have discussed in these last 2 sessions are pretty clear to you. And in the next session, we will be discussing about problems related to the list. So stay connected and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.